Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a simple but life-saving trick to fix that frustrating issue where your monitor or laptop gets stuck at the wrong screen resolution, like 1024 into 768 or 1366 into 768. We will force 1920 into 1080 resolution using the registry editor. No extra software needed. Okay, now right-click on desktop, click Display Settings, scroll to Display Resolution. If 1920 into 1080 is missing and your display doesn't support it, you can force it. So, let's go to the method. Press Windows plus R, type R-Edit and press Enter. Now click File, then click on Export. After that, save a full backup just in case any problem. Give a name for this rageback. However, in Registry Editor, now go to HQ Local Machine Directory, then go to System, then expand Current Control Set. After that, go to Control. Next, expand Graphics Drivers. Once inside the graphics drivers, then go to Configuration Registry Path. You will notice several folders with unusual or random names. These entries represent past and present display setups Windows has stored, including internal screens and connected monitors. Browse through the folders to find one that matches your current display, typically the most recently modified. Once you find it, expand the folder and then open the subfolder named 00. Inside the 000 folder, look for these two entries. Prim size CX. This is the horizontal resolution of your screen. Prim size CY. This is the vertical resolution of your screen. These are your display saved resolution values. To change them, double-click on each value. Select decimal as the base. Input your desired resolution for 1920 into 1080. Now double-click on Prim Size CX set to 1920 decimal. Then click on OK. After that, double-click Prim Size CI, then set to 1080 decimal, and click OK. This instructs Windows to remember these resolutions as the preferred one for this display profile. Once you have updated both values, find Scaling key. Then set value to 1 or try 3 if needed. Then click on OK. This helps maintain proper scaling if text looks blurry. Also, you can adjust scaling settings from Display Settings. Now close the Register Editor. After this, you can simply restart your PC, but in some cases, if your drivers are not updated, it can still cause issue. So for this, we will go to Display Setting and select Display Adapter Properties. Click Properties on Pop-up, and then go to Driver on the next pop-up and click Update and click Search automatically for updated driver software. Then let it search, download, and install. After this, simply restart your PC, like, subscribe, and comment.